If anything, it's made us reflect and appreciate things like live music a little bit more, family. And we have a family, you know, as a band, we're a family. It's an extended family. Just think about people that are in your family and the shit that they're going through, sometimes silently, and the shit that they're going through that you just feel the energy of, you know, and you take it on as well, and maybe you don't even speak about it, but it's there and it's omnipresent. So this song's dedicated to someone in our family. Good to know that you'll be okay. I've been waiting for, and I'll be there sitting while you pray. No one's blaming me. I'm not supposed to wait. You open up your heart. Girl, not disturbed, like a machine. I'll fix you from the start, repair, and we share. No, but we're always in repair. We lock the door. Know that you'll be this dark night, and I'll be there when you get. Don't danger, just inside again. Water up your heart. Been good, you understood, like a machine. I'll fix you from the start. I'm in repair, and we share. Know that we're always in repair. This time to figure it out. The wires, the fuse, and the things that you doubt. The wheels, the air, the metal, the mouth. It's something, oh, it's something. I'll fix you from the start. In repair that we share, and I know that yeah, baby, you understood. You got my share. I'll fix you from the start. In repair, you plan we should. Always in repeat. Lock the door, lock the door, we lock the door, lock the door, lock the door, lock the door, we lock the door.